Do we have enough plates and napkins for the picnic?
Let's check. I made a supply table in the spreadsheet.
Whoa! This table shows everything.
Hello, kids! This is your Captain AHS. Ever tried to keep track of snacks, scores, or supplies and ended up in a mess? Spreadsheets are like magic tables that help you organize everything neatly in rows and columns. Let's explore how they can even do math and make your planning super smart.
Hasib, how are you going to keep track of everyone's favorite snacks for the picnic? That sounds like a lot to remember.
I'm using a spreadsheet. It's like a digital table where I can organize everything neatly.
Like drawing boxes on paper and filling them in?
Exactly, but way cooler. On a spreadsheet, the computer makes the boxes for me. I just have to click and type. See this? These are called cells, and each one is like a little box where I can put information. This column says name, and this one says favorite snack. So each row is for one person, and we match their name to the snack they love.
Whoa! That's easy to read. I can even find my name super fast. This is way better than sticky notes. Do we have enough plates and napkins for the picnic?
Let's check. I made a supply table in the spreadsheet.
Whoa! This table shows everything.
Yes! This is a medium-level table. We added more columns to compare how much we need and how much we have.
So if we need more, we can see it right away.
Exactly! It helps us make smart decisions while planning.
Baba, Mama said we need to figure out how much the picnic stuff will cost. But how are we supposed to do that? There's so much.
Good question. We're going to use a spreadsheet to make a budget table. It helps us organize items, prices, and even do math, all in one place.
Wait, spreadsheets can do math?
Not just any math. It's like having a smart calculator inside each little box.
Wait, what's that weird equals B2 asterisk C2 thing? It looks like robot language.
That, my dear spreadsheet detective, is called a formula. It tells the spreadsheet to multiply the price per item by the quantity we need. So instead of typing the total cost ourselves, the spreadsheet does it for us. Here, after writing the proper formula, it gives us the total cost.
Whoa! So it's like, the table is doing the math inside its brain?
Exactly. That's the hard level part of using spreadsheets, writing formulas to save time and avoid mistakes. We just type equals B2C2 and boom. The total appears.
I bet the picnic will be the most organized event of the year.
Now it's time for the quiz. What is a spreadsheet mostly used for? Option A, watching videos. Option B, organizing information into tables. Option C, drawing cartoons. Option B, organizing information into tables. In a spreadsheet, what do we call the boxes where you type information? Option A, blocks. Option B, cells. Option C, tables. Option B, cells. Which one shows a simple table format in a spreadsheet? Option A, rows and columns. Option B, circles and triangles. Option C, pages and covers. Option A, rows and columns. What does a formula like equals B2 asterisk C2 do in a spreadsheet? Option A, colors the boxes. Option B, calculates numbers using the data in 2 cells. Option C, plays music. Option B, calculates numbers using the data in 2 cells. What is the difference between a basic table and a hard level one in spreadsheets? Option A, basic tables are only in black and white. Option B, hard level tables include math and formulas. Option C, hard level tables are written by hand. Option B, hard level tables include math and formulas. Now that we know how to build tables in a spreadsheet, things are looking super organized. But what if we want to add, subtract, or even total up a column all at once? Get ready, next time, we'll unlock the power of basic calculations in spreadsheets. Don't miss out on more free, interactive lessons. Hit subscribe and join us on the journey to education without boundaries.